Today is such an amazing day at CoolIT. We've been through an extraordinary growth story together. We manufacture cold plates and coolant distribution units, all the different equipment that you need in a data center to keep the servers really, really cool.
CoolIT's products in 2025 alone saved enough electricity to power 200,000 households for an entire year. And because of all the demand that's come in, we had to expand capacity.
We've tripled our headcount. We have more than tripled our footprint in manufacturing and in R&D spaces. And all of this coming together quite quickly.
For us,
we were fortunate enough to have just an unbelievable outcome.
Today, the team believes that they're coming together for a town hall, but they do not know that they will be receiving a letter that will tell them just exactly what ownership means.
It's an honor to be here with you today. Just at KKR, you're now a part of 85 companies who have worker ownership. It's time to talk about exactly what this means for you individually. For that, I'm going to welcome up to the stage my colleague, Kyle Matter.
I'm so happy to be here today. All of this is possible because you all, as owners, have taken that ownership mindset. That's what's enabled this amazing progress. Should we get into the numbers? If you joined CoolIT in 2025, you will receive 2.5 times your annual pay. All right, if you joined CoolIT between 2020 and 2022, your payout is 6 times annual pay. Let's keep going. If you joined CoolIT in 2016 or before, your payout is 8 times your annual pay.
I don't know how to put it into words right now.
I understood at that point how meaningful and how big of an impact this was going to have on their lives, every single one of them.
I'm a single mom. This means so much for me.
ownership is important for the employees. Their efforts are valued.
CoolIT is a very diverse company. We are kind of a little world. So it means a lot, not only for myself, for all these diverse people.
I will stay until I retire.
I was working hard, working more because I wanted to see CoolIT as a success.
The belief in the program is growing, and I think this is going to start to build kind of its own momentum.
This demonstrates that culture of ownership. And I think this is a perfect example for other companies to see that it works.